Okay, this drink we're going to make is called a Pina Ghoulada. And what we're going to start with is one of these sort of glasses, okay? What I did was I made up some simple sugar. Simple sugar is simply water and sugar. In the recipe it actually calls for about equal amounts of sugar and water. I usually find that you need to put a lot more sugar in it than the water. Essentially what I do is I just keep adding sugar until most of it will not dissolve anymore. And that's usually enough. And then add a little red food coloring. The result is then I have my blood mixture. Okay? What I'm then going to do is just set it in a small plate. Dip my glass in it. Okay? And then when I turn it over, you get the streaming blood. Now you might want to set something under this because it's kind of messy. But you can see very clearly what that looks like. Okay? Meanwhile, now I'm going to go ahead and mix up my ingredients. What I did, since I'm only making one batch of it, I cut back on the ingredients. This is actually a really good one to make up for kind of a large number of people. You can have it ready and just have a series of glasses to dip. Okay? So I'm going to start off with some Bacardi. Okay, I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of Bacardi. Okay? So I'll pour that into my my mixer back here. Okay. Okay. Get that all set up. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of orange juice. Okay. Then I'm going to add some of this cream of coconut. That gives it kind of that Caribbean flavor to it. Okay. This actually comes out as kind of a solid, so don't be surprised when you open it. And I'm just going to, since it's a 16-ounce can, I'm just going to scrape out about 1/4 of the can. Okay. Normally you would just use the whole can. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and add about a 1/4 cup of ice to that. Okay. And then finally, a 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Okay. Now once I have that all together, what I will now do is take my mixer, a little electric mixer here. Okay. You can use a blender, that'll work too, especially for a larger volume. And then I'm just going to go ahead and stir that up real good. Get all that ice nice and crushed. Okay. Take this, set it aside. Okay. Pour it into my glass. And there you have your Pina Ghoulada.